I hope you are all well today. I have brought a new video for you guys and which you will get to see more some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at knitting can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced video on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube videos. In this video, you will find many kitchen designs, many crockery designs, earring designs, which are very beautiful. People can make and sell such a kitchen at home and start their own small business. There is also a lot of demands of internet online. Most people put the kitchen in their school bags or university college bag, which also look very beautiful. You can make many things with knitting, such as shoulder bag, mobiles, holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything. You just need to know how to make knitting. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. I have put together a lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are floral and some are cute and mini animals, cute tree plants and kitchen designs. I have put together lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are cute and mini with kitchens. Do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And which designs will I bring in the next video. You can also customize many of Instagram pages according to your design. If you just want to make a basic kitchen and you're making one for the first time, I will suggest you make flowers. Today I brought a new video for you guys which contain crooked blanket designs. If you like the designs, please like the video.